Are you looking for some information about watercolor? Then you are at the right place. Hi, my name is Judith or Jude and I'm a self-taught artist living in the Netherlands. My goal is to give you the right tools so you can start your own masterpiece. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, I hope to inspire you on this channel. In this video, I will tell you more about myself and why I became a painter. Hi, I am Judith. I'm 42 years old. I live in the Netherlands with my husband and my cat. And I love to draw and to paint. And I started 6 years ago when I couldn't work anymore because of my muscle disease. So I started drawing, and a year later I started to paint also with watercolor. And I struggled a lot, but now I'm happy that I didn't quit too soon. So now I'm painting portraits, but also animals and landscapes. And on this channel, I will share some knowledge about painting and drawing. Because I saw a lot of YouTube videos and I followed some courses on Domestika and Skillshare. And yeah, I want to share some of these tools and tricks with you so we can paint together and add some color to the world. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section. Or if you have an idea for a subject, yeah, please let me know and I will try to make a video about the subject or the questions you have. Okay, have a nice and creative day and I hope to see you by Juud.